Hey everyone, welcome to the Veilers channel. Today I'll show you how to add a photo overlay to your video or into your CapCut project. Let's open CapCut. Here's a sample project, my video. To add a photo to it, we can click the overlay button below, then add overlay and select a photo from your device. Let's use these rollers. Place it where you want, like this. You can adjust the duration of the photo, add keyframes, scroll forward, select the photo, click this button, and in the places where you need this photo, I'll adjust it. It'll be where you need it, looking something like this. Hey friends, I'll show you how to play Roblox with Spotify.